What we've got here is a cigarette. It's in this tube here. Now at this end we've got a little vacuum pump which is going to pull air through the whole apparatus. So the smoke from the cigarette is going to pass past this thermometer, through this filter here, through this indicator which will tell us whether there's an acid present or not, and then through this lime water here which is going to tell us if we've got any carbon dioxide. So I'm going to turn on the vacuum pump. As you can see, both solutions are now bubbling with air going through them. I'm going to light the match. Light the cigarette. You can probably see that the smoke being pulled all the way through the system. And what I'm looking for in terms of if things are acid, I'm looking to see whether that green colour in that indicator is going to go more yellow to orange to red. And the more towards red it gets, the more acidic it is. You guys will have already learnt about lime water and it being a test for CO2, and this is now going cloudy, so that's showing that we're getting CO2 being produced. And CO2 is one of those gases that you want to get out of your body. You don't want to be taking more of it in. But there's another gas that we can't test for here, carbon monoxide, which is truly dangerous, which is also being given off, but we don't have a test for that. So by now we can see that the lime water has turned colour. That's nice and cloudy, so definitely showing that we've got CO2. And that, what was a green solution in the middle, has now gone very yellowy, which means we've got acid that's being produced by the smoke. I think we'll stop it there. So just clear that smoke out of the system. As you can see, we did get to quite a high temperature, showing that there were very hot gases that were going through from burning the cigarette, which is something that's quite dangerous. Now we're just going to have a look at the filter. The filter was pure white and it's now got quite an amount of brown tar that's being trapped in the filter. That's in addition to the filter that you get on a cigarette when you buy one. So inside that cigarette there's a filter which removes the majority of the tar. As you can see, it's there. It started off white and that's really quite nasty. If you ever happen to smoke something like a roll-up, something that doesn't have that filter in, there's a huge amount of tar would go in your lungs.